All right, so for number 1, it says, look at the web. Which of the following would best complete the web? So our main idea, even though we talked about how main ideas have to be full sentences, this is called a graphic organizer. So the main idea is terrestrial planets. We have the first 4 planets. That's one of the supporting details of the paragraph. Mostly made of rock and metal. What's our last one here? Yes.
B, C, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
Perfect. C, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, because those are the first 4 planets. So your answer should have been C. All right, number 2, it says, look at the web. Which of the following would best complete the web? Again, this is going to be our topic sentence, or our main idea about this paragraph was the sun. One of the supporting details was that it was a star. It's orbited by planets and other things. What else?
Has strong gravity.
Has strong gravity. Did everybody else get that? Okay. Last one. Look at the web. Which of the following would best complete the web? So our last one's about our gas giants. Okay, so our supporting detail, it says last 4 planets, mostly made of gas. And what are those? What'd you get?
Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Perfect. So it should be H. Good job. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to read the article Malala. I always don't know how to say her last name. Yousafzai. We're gonna say Yousafzai.
Yeah,
We're gonna call her Malala. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're first gonna read our article and then we're gonna answer the questions. Okay.
We read together.
We can. Well, I gotta read because I'm sitting right next to the microphone.
Okay.
All right. So Malala has always been passionate about equal education opportunities for boys and girls. However, a life-changing event cultivated her or catapulted her into the public eye. This gave her an even larger platform to spread awareness about the injustices occurring around the world and the importance of education equality. So now the next one is humble beginnings. Malala was born in Mingora, Pakistan, which is nested in the region known as Swat Valley. Early in her childhood, Malala's hometown was a popular tourist location for those looking for beautiful nature and joyful annual festivals. However, the Taliban invaded and imposed strict laws on the region that prevented girls from getting an education. Despite the new government's restrictions, Malala continued to attend her father's school and even blogged for BBC about the inequality she was facing. Unfortunately, the Taliban learned of her activism and took action to stop her. So now we're on the attack. In October of 2012, Malala was on her way home from school when a gunman stopped her bus. "Who is Malala?" the man demanded. The shocked students glanced at Malala, giving away her location. The gunman opened fire on the bus, shooting Malala on the left side of her head and neck. 2 of her friends were also injured in the attack. In critical condition, Malala was treated at the hospital in Peshawar, about 3 hours from Mingora. Her injuries were extensive, and it soon became clear that she needed advanced treatment. The 15-year-old was transported to Birmingham, England, though she underwent multiple injuries. Malala miraculously had no major brain injuries and returned to school in England by March of 2013. All right, last paragraph. Once she had recovered, Malala took an active role in raising awareness about the harsh laws and prejudice that the Taliban and other extremist groups were enforcing on countries all over the world, including